Hello everyone. I wanted to share one of our family favorites today and do a fun little read aloud. This book is called Beep Beep Go to Sleep, and it's written by Todd Tarpley and illustrated by John Rocco. Maybe you can tell a grown-up at home what the author does and what the illustrator of a book does. Now I have a special job for you while I'm reading this book. Each time you see the word beep, you have to shout it with me. So let's practice it. Ready, Ella? I've got a helper here who's going to help with it. Ready? Beep, beep. Perfect. Here we go. 3 little robots, time for bed. Time to dim your infrared. Brush your rotors round and round. Clean your shields. And power down. They're getting ready for bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are... Beep! Beep! Did you shout that with us? Let's try it one more time. Ready? Even louder. Beep! Beep! Is something wrong? I need my coil. My sensor aches. I want more oil. Better now? Then rest your head. 3 little robots back to bed. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are... Beep! Beep! What is it now? I need a light. My fan belt's loose. My bolt's too tight. Oh my goodness. Always yawn and do a nice yawn. Quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are... You ready to help us with it? Ready? Beep! Beep! Robots, are you still awake? Engines off, for goodness sake. No more beeping, no more talking, no more squeaking, no more squawking. No more blipping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, squinking, oinking. Oinking? Go to sleep! Oh, I think some parents out there can relate to this book, huh? Oh, quiet at last, not a peep. 3 little robots are... You ready for it? Beep! Beep! What now? You need what? Oh, a bedtime story. Somewhere there are robots, beeping, buzzing, bouncing, squawking, squeaking, blipping, bopping, blinking, boinking, winking, whirring, even oinking. But not these robots, snuggled deep. They finally put their boy to sleep. I hope you enjoyed that book. Check back as we'll continue to do some other videos in the future. Talk to your families about what you thought of this story. Did you like the story? Did you not like the story, and why? I know that some of us are working on opinion writing at school, so that would be a great thing to discuss as well. Anyways, hope you're having a good day. Do lots of reading and writing, and I'll see you soon. Miss you. Bye-bye.